In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar with Notion for student life. By the end, you'll have a functional student calendar set up using a ready-made template so you can stay on top of classes, assignments, and campus events with far less effort. Start by opening Notion and looking to the top left corner. Click the small drop-down arrow to reveal your main menu and workspace options. This expands the sidebar so you can quickly access tools and features you'll need. With the sidebar open, choose Templates. This takes you to Notion's gallery of pre-built setups, which is the fastest way to build a polished student calendar without starting from scratch. From here, go into the Notion Template Marketplace and make sure you're viewing the Templates section. This is where the full catalog lives, and it's organized to help you find something that fits your workflow. Use the search bar and type calendar for students. Clear keywords help surface options designed for academic life. Think course schedules, assignment tracking, and exam planning wrapped into a calendar view. If you only see a handful of results at first, scroll down and click Load More. The marketplace updates constantly, and loading more reveals additional layouts, styles, and features you might prefer. Browse the options and select a template that matches how you like to plan. Open its preview to get a sense of what's included. Look for a clean monthly or weekly calendar, properties like due date, course name, and status, and any built-in task or note sections that will save you time during the semester. When you're ready, click Add to bring the template into your Notion workspace. Depending on your interface, the button might appear as Add, use this template, or Duplicate, but the result is the same. You'll get your own editable copy. Place it wherever you organize your school pages so it's easy to find. Now it's time to make it yours. Edit the template by renaming the page, updating sample entries with your real classes, and tweaking properties such as course says priority and due dates so they reflect your schedule. Adjust the default view to the calendar format you prefer, and tailor filters or sorts to show what matters first, like upcoming deadlines. If the template includes color coding or tags, align them with your courses for quick visual scanning. Small touches here will make the calendar intuitive and reliable. That's it. You've added a student-focused calendar to Notion and customized it to fit your semester. Keep it open during study sessions, add items as soon as they come up, and let the template do the heavy lifting of keeping you organized.